Making homemade yam flour, also called amala in West Africa, alubo for yam flour porridge, or simply dried yam powder, is a traditional preservation method. Here's a step-by-step guide focusing on safety and quality. Ingredients: tools: yams. True yams, Dioscorea spp. Not sweet potatoes. Choose firm, unblemished ones. Water. For washing, soaking. Tools: knife, peeler, mandolin optional, large bowls, drying racks, screens, blender, grinder, airtight container. Drying method: sunny spot 3 to 5 days, oven low temp, or dehydrator ideal. Steps: 1. Prep: peel. Wash yams thoroughly. Peel carefully. Raw yam sap can irritate skin. Wear gloves. Rinse peeled yams. 2. Slice. Cut into thin slices inch, 3 mm or small cubes for faster drying. Tip: use a mandolin for even thickness. 3. Soak, optional but recommended. Soak slices in cold water for 1 to 2 hours to reduce stickiness and oxidation. Drain and rinse well. 4. Dry. Sun drying. Spread slices on clean racks in direct sun. Cover with mesh to protect from insects, dust. Flip pieces daily until brittle. 3 to 5 sunny days. Humidity. Oven, dehydrator. Dry at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 hours until snaps easily. 5. Grind. Break dried yam into pieces. Grind in a high-power blender, food processor, or grain mill to a fine powder. 6. Sift. Store. Sift through a fine mesh to remove lumps. Store in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for 6 to 12 months. Uses amala. Boil water. Stir in yam flour until smooth and dough-like. Serve with soups, stews, e.g., efo riro, gabajiri. Thickener. For sauces, gravies, or baked goods. Gluten-free. Substitute for wheat flour in blends, adds fiber and a mild earthy taste. Subscribe and share for more homemade tips.